we're driving down this mountain and we see a door going into a cave. There's the door right there. So bizarre. I don't understand the door. Oh, good morning. Right now I am in an automobile. And now I boarded an airplane. And now I'm off the plane, walking in the street in a new province here in Argentina. Where am I at? Drum roll, please. But I didn't come here to show you me eating chicken. I also didn't come here for you to watch me drink this local brew, but you're going to. Just made it to Del Diablo, Devil's Throat, and it's absolutely breathtaking. Wow, it's first stop on the road trip. Just wow. So we're driving and there's a bunch of wild goats just walking around on the road, and now they just ran off. I'm gonna try to get some drone footage. Just got into cafe shit. I don't know how to say this, cafe shit. But this is also known as wine country here in Argentina. Lots of vineyards and everything, but we're not spending too much time in the town. We're here more for the natural landscapes in the whole Salta province. So this is me signing out. Good morning. Already up and at 'em early, 7 a.m. and on top of a mountain. Phenomenal views, so beautiful. I think this may be the most beautiful place I've ever been to in my life so far. Stopped at this restaurant for lunch, and not really sure if it's a restaurant or a home, and they just happened to cook out of it. I don't know, but it's so pretty. It's like a whole farm. They have horses, dogs, great mountain views. It's on the route. It's very pretty. I don't know, I can picture myself living here. All the animals, wilderness. I love it. Hola. Oh. How do you like driving the Nissan through the mountains?
I like it a lot. The car is super light and it goes really fast and it's really good. I approve it.
fun, but they're so beautiful, so it's definitely not a complaint. See the roads that we drove from right there and there. We're as high as the clouds. We are 3,390 meters above sea level, I believe. I don't even know what meters are, but it sounds cool. Absolutely insane right now. We went off the track up to a higher peak, and the clouds are coming in between the ravines and the dips in the mountains, and because we're at a high point, they're literally coming at us. It's so cold. It's so cold.
Wow, look at that.
Clouds going by. This is amazing. I've never had a cloud go through me, or me through a cloud. I guess the cloud is larger than I. Absolutely amazing and really cold. So we just got to this town called Tilcara in the northern province of Jujuy, which borders the Salta province. I'm in a jacket, a hat, I'm wearing socks with sandals. I am so burnt. It's terrible. But we arrived here in the evening, so we're going to try to go trek up a mountain and then watch the sunset on Tilcara city. This whole route, this whole country, there's a lot of hiking offered and some magnificent views. Good morning from Tilcara. Right now we are on our way to a place called the Devil's Throat, and Pal is so stressed out driving because we're on like the edge of cliffs on the mountains. And we made it a-okay up to the Garganta del Diablo. Thank God we didn't walk because last night,
I'm not sure, but I'm gonna be able to get recorded today. It's my third time waking up tonight. Puking and diarrhea.
So I think I would have been dying if I would have trekked the 6 miles up the mountain. We do still have to walk a little bit down to the waterfall, the Garganta, but it's only 210 meters, so not so bad. It's 6 kilometers. Water is really cold, but it goes unsaid for all attractions everywhere. You need to be early. We got here at 10:30 and there's huge crowds, just people standing, hanging out. So it really takes away from the magic. But definitely recommend just be here early. This is a true Argentine right here. Oh wow. What is that? What is it? What is it?
Perro.
Is it good?
Too spicy.
That trek to the waterfall really wiped me out, especially after last night's episode. I only got 2 hours of sleep. So we came back to our hostel and I'm completely wiped out for the day. So I'm just not gonna record anymore. So I will see you all tomorrow. And here we are in the car with the hitchhiker eating a banana, Sergio. We are finally going to this place called Salinas Grandes, and this is what really brought us to the north. So it's about an hour and a half from Tilcara, where we're staying, and super excited to finally see the Salinas Grandes.
You became a stranger.
It's so bright with the clouds, with the sun hitting off the Salta. Wow, I think you can go blind without using the sunglasses. I think a truck just hit my drone while we were just trying to fly it. I'm gonna go look now, but it's really disappointing. I'm sure it's broke. It's because of the hitchhiker. What bad luck. It's the bad juju. If the hitchhiker doesn't kill you, he's gonna kill your drone. They're always killing something. Got it right there? Right there? Right there, right there.
It's a rock.
A rock? No! Oh! Oh! Chose the last location in this spot that I'm in right now. And we keep finding pieces, but like we found pieces like the wings here in the same spot and also like 200 feet away. So it makes absolutely no sense where this thing could be. And if you want to learn how not to fly a drone, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Ciao.
Became a stranger. Someone I don't know now. You became a stranger.
So we're driving down this mountain and we see a door going into a cave. There's the door right there. So bizarre. I don't understand the door. Oh shit. It's literally shit.
A stranger.